We are excited to introduce you to the advanced CNC controller for press brakes, the Delem DA-69T, now available in our equipment lineup. This innovative solution elevates sheet metal bending to an entirely new level. Let's begin with the user interface. The Delem DA-69T is equipped with a large 17-inch color touchscreen that allows for intuitive operation and straightforward menu navigation. Touch gestures and graphical data displays simplify the programming and monitoring of the bending process. With its cutting-edge graphic programming and 3D preview capabilities, the Delem DA-69T enables operators to visualize the bending process in stunning detail. This innovative feature significantly reduces the risk of errors and allows for quick adjustments, ensuring the highest level of precision in every operation. The Delem DA-69T is equipped with advanced CNC features, including automatic bending sequence calculation, crowning, and collision detection. These options enhance both the safety and accuracy of your operations. An extensive library of tools and materials enables users to swiftly configure the ideal bending parameters for various applications. Operators can also create and save their custom settings, significantly enhancing the efficiency of the workflow. The DA-69T controller allows for seamless import and export of bending programs and tool configurations in PDF format, facilitating easy integration with existing systems and enhancing documentation management. Support for multiple axes enables precise control over even the most complex bending processes. The Delem DA-69T allows for independent programming and control of up to 9 axes, offering exceptional flexibility and precision in production. Remote monitoring and diagnostic capabilities enable rapid response to issues and help minimize downtime. With an internet connection, operators can monitor the press brakes performance from virtually anywhere. Advanced safety features, including collision detection, locking systems, ACA's laser protection, and an ergonomically designed interface, significantly reduce the risk of operator error while ensuring maximum comfort for the user. Our machines are fitted with Willa automatic tool clamps, significantly accelerating production times and simplifying the operator's tasks. The Delem DA-69T goes beyond essential features, providing a suite of additional options that enhance the efficiency of programmers and operators alike. Enjoy a multilingual interface, swift program creation for bending, built-in calibration tools, real-time previews, and seamless program copying and editing. Personalize your experience with customizable screens, track operation history, utilize advanced search capabilities, and benefit from support for various file formats. Plus, enjoy easy software updates and integrated help resources, all designed to optimize your workflow. The Delem DA-69T controller is a sophisticated and versatile solution that greatly enhances the sheet metal bending process in press brakes. It ensures greater precision, efficiency, and safety in bending operations.